Here are my submissions for this month's Christmas tags on the 25th. I'm still in this shaker making mode. There's a tag on the back and with a to and from and a couple of strips. And I made this with my Cricut, and I made 4 pieces. So there's 2 of the plain cardstock, and then there's 2 of the inner cardstock with the hole in the middle. And the reason I did that was because I find it's easier to sew than to glue. It's more effective. So to cover the sewing lines, I put on an extra piece on the front and back, and it makes them very sturdy as well. And I just added a little bulb pin attached to a little knot of fabric and a little charm. And then on the bulb pin I added some little seed beads. And so this one's a little different. This one has the tag on the front, so you could put that on a gift. And then this one I didn't add the center pretty paper in the middle. This one has the pretty paper in the middle, and that's just the cutout. And then on the back this just says Merry Christmas. And then I'd made just a shaker. Make fun additions to, not just to a gift, but I also add these to my junk journals. So I hope you enjoyed this month's Christmas tags on the 25th. Please do go ahead and check out the description where there's a list of the other participants, and check out their videos. Lots of great ideas. Thank you, Crafting Rose, for hosting. We'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.